Welcome to the Trader's Toolbox series and your guide to mastering the tools that shape the market. Right now you're looking at a Thinkorswim layout filled with many powerful indicators and studies, each designed to give traders an edge. In each episode, we'll take a deep dive into one of these and many other game-changing tools and studies. We'll zoom in, strip away the noise, and show you exactly why so many pros use these tools, why it should matter to you, and how you can use them to make smarter trades. Let's begin your journey on your way to greater profits as we join the $1 Million Margin Club and their introduction to today's tool. Introducing the ADX Crossover with Clouds and Alarms Indicator, a powerful tool for identifying trend strength and confirming momentum with clarity and speed. A dynamic trend label delivers instant feedback on market momentum, updating in real time to reflect shifts in strength and direction. The label color changes to match the ADX line, giving immediate visual confirmation of trend conditions with no delay. Whether it's green for an uptrend, red for a downtrend, or white for no trend at all, traders will know which direction the trend momentum is moving. As trend strength changes, the label text updates to reflect whether a trend is forming, fading, or firmly established in either direction. Threshold levels at 20 and 25 serve as key signals, the first marking the start of potential momentum, the second confirming that a strong trend is underway. This can signal opportunities to trade long or short depending on the direction of the trend. Color-coded clouds reflect trend intensity. Green signals powerful movement, while orange and yellow track building pressure. Blue confirms that no trend is present. Readily knowing the strength of the trends helps to confirm decisions for staying in a trade or preparing to exit the trade. The ADX line responds to real-time market shifts, changing color to show bullish strength, bearish control, or trendless conditions with precision. Whether you're looking at the label or the ADX line, you can know the overall trend of the stock by the colors. The ADX formulas shown here work in concert to give the fastest and most accurate data for the trader in real time and alerts them to a shift in directional momentum. As calculated, the colored levels and clouds give additional visual help so traders can see in a glance the speed and strength of any price direction. The ADX Crossover with Clouds and Alarms Indicator delivers one of the clearest edge-seeking tools in intraday trading, combining strength signals, real-time alerts, and directional insight into one streamlined system. This indicator, along with other great indicators, studies, tools, and strategy books, are part of the Trader Toolbox series. No matter where you are in your journey, this series, along with their groundbreaking guidebooks designed by professional traders, has been created to help beginner and seasoned traders alike reach the next level of profitability and are available exclusively at the $1 Million Margin Club. Visit our website, level up your trading, and join the profitable traders at the $1 Million Margin Club.